Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I'm doing this on, I think it's a 12" by 12" canvas, and I think that's correct, yeah. And it comes with a little timber floating frame, so when it's finished I can pop it straight in there, be ready framed. Great little gadgets for you, finish off in your work nicely. So I will be selling some of these smaller pieces. I had so many people asking me to, you know, basically do some art, even if they only have a small one, to just have a piece of my art. So that's what I'm trying to get a few together to be able to put on my up for sale and sell some art. Rightio, I'll get going with this one. This was burnt umber, and it's mixed with metallic gold, so it's given it this lovely spiced, hot spicy look, and it is a gorgeous colour. I thought that I would hate it because it's kind of a bit like baby poo, but you know, sounds terrible, but I think I better cut that bit out. I'm just going to whiz over it anyway and give it a coat of paint first. So I'll show you the one that I did yesterday that inspired me to go a bit further, because I have got a commission for a friend and these were her colours, but I'll just give me a second. Okie doke, that's that coated. This was the one I did yesterday, and it's just a little bit wet here. As you can see, there's no cracking or anything. This is all dry. It's still just a little bit moist there, so I'll obviously leave it a bit longer before I just give it a varnish coat. But was so happy with that, and so was my friend that I did it for. The colours were just perfect for her. So I'm thinking to use the same colours in this little piece, but just with maybe changing the green to maybe red or purple, something. I'm just going to throw some other colours in there, but really happy with how that one turned out. So that one will be up for sale. My friend, I've got to do a bigger one than that for her, but the colours were right, so it was kind of a test to see if I could get the colours correct that she wanted. Stay down in this one corner here. So this is metallic gold. And I'm going to put in some unbleached titanium down here, so keeping these lovely sort of earthy colours. And I'm going to put in a good dollop of metallic silver. And I did in that other one use this burnt sienna, but I'm going to, I think, I'm going to throw in a different. So I'm going to add this brilliant red, because lots of people like red and purples in their artwork, so we'll put in a bit of this. And I was going to add purple to that, but I'm not sure if the purple will go real good with that, so I might give that a miss. Let's just see what these colours turn out like, and if I need to alter it, then I just do it. Right, so I'm going to use the Chaos Blow. Oh, before I do that, I wanted to actually, I need to pour some more on, because I'm going to blow it up there a little ways. So really nicely coat my canvas And I will use my spatula to spread that out. Won't use the little sponge brush. You spread it out with the spatula, and it seems to cover the coat a little bit nicer than the sponge brush does. I suppose because it's leaving it thicker. But as you can see in the other piece, it dried really nicely. So, and it was the same as this, same consistency. So I'm going to do some little wispy bits. Oh, I'll just try with this. I'm not going to do any more than that to that part, but that is super duper, love it. Right, now I'm going to use my little hairdryer, and I'm going to blow it. So oh, that's so nice. That is beautiful. Wowee. Who'd have thought? That's gorgeous. That is a really gorgeous colour combo, and I'm glad that I didn't add the purple in that. That will be beautiful for what I want to do. I am going to, the balloon's deflated from yesterday. I'm going to do this because it definitely creates some depth and some more interest in there. So I'm going to kiss my balloon into the canvas, and it's bringing some of that burnt umber up. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I don't have to do too much in this, but that that's gorgeous, actually. Hey, get out of it. Get out of it. Just come along with my other little squidged up balloon. Now I've got to resist touching it now, and I'm going to just hit it with the heat wand. That's very simplistic, very easy. Just take your time and enjoy the process. I'm just going to go in with my little skewer to just wreck these lines a little bit. Oh, I love it. I have to bring you down. You'll see the reaction that's coming on in here. It's just taking a little life all of its own. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Right here, I'm going to bring you down. Oh, so excited with this. It's so gorgeous. Look at this. Wow. Oh, some lovely effects and movement in that. And look at that shimmer. Just mixing the burnt umber with metallic gold. Look at those. That's such a gorgeous effect in there. Really super happy with this. Look at this. Oh my goodness, it's bloomed all on its own. It's blooming. Blooming lovely. I actually love this colour combo. I did think, what on earth am I doing? That's gorgeous too. I just love it. And see how simplistic it is if you get the paint consistency correct. So don't forget, people, I have links in the description below this video in the drop down box of the materials I use. I have an Amazon store there that you can buy all the materials. There's a link for the materials to be bought in the US if that's where you are. There's links to videos, to beginners videos, paints and prep, all sorts there. It's all there to help you out on your little art journey. But I'm hoping that that dries as well as that one, and yeah, very happy. So I'm going to try again now on another similar canvas but a completely different color combination. So I want to say bye for now. Please take care of yourself. Remember, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, ring a family member or a helpline if that isn't available to you. Take care. As you can see, it's dried beautifully. Just a few little spots that are just look a little bit shiny, probably not dried right through to the canvas, but it certainly turned out spectacular. So no cracking, still got those awesome effects in it, and that burnt umber with the gold is just lovely. It gives it some depth behind it. Looks very earthy. So that one will go in its little floating frame, and you will see the photos at the end. Oh, it's my beautiful dog Rosie. Hey Rosie, say hello to the people. Just Gilly.